AIDS or acquired immune deficiency syndrome is a condition in humans in which the inbuilt defense systems of the body are destroyed completely. As a result, our body cannot be able to prevent common diseases like pneumonia, diarrhea, tuberculosis, or even common cold. Ultimately, the patient dies due to one or another infection. The causal agent of this disease is a virus, HIV or human immune deficiency virus. The HIV is retrovirus and genetically highly variable in antigenicity. It integrates into the host cell and produces an effective cytotoxic T cell response. Usually, the virus attacks and destroys the lymphocytes of the blood cell. The virus enters into the body in three major ways: with sexual intercourse with an infected person, through transfusion of HIV infected blood or blood products, or through infected blood in needles, syringes, and other such instruments. Transmission from an infected mother to her newborn. The HIV is not a communicable disease. Hence, it is not transmitted through kissing, sharing food, mosquitoes or fly biting, traveling, shaking hands or living, and working with infected persons. Main drawbacks of AIDS control is that there is no drug for cure or no vaccine for prevention. Hence, the prevention or control only can be taken at socio-economic level, and that is possibly only due to people's awareness towards the menace.